Another way to use scalp dots, we have a W pattern, and I did take a long on this. I'm already flat. I just took it, grabbed a few extra, or a couple more $100 on the day, but I saw that and it was right in the area where we did have a little bit of support from yesterday. So there's the scalp dot short I worked. I have two videos up at the Grid Algo channel covering that. The initial trade entry overnight and then the follow through this morning. But I was watching the markets here kind of passively, and I did see that little, there's that little node where we lifted, had initial pullback early part of the morning yesterday, US Central Time on the bottom of the chart. Saw the W pattern and decided to put on a long, but a stop right at the dot level and did the entry. And basically, I only got about 1-to-1 on this, and it could keep going, but I got a few extra $100 and called it good. So I continually look for those W patterns in the market, and then the fact that we got to mid band and to the top of the prior pivot right there, I decided that's good enough, and I'm good for the day. But I saw it. I just traded it manually. W patterns and M patterns happen continually day to day. I always watch for them. We had an M pattern actually off the highs last night, and then a scalp dot. So you can use scalp dot trades in conjunction with seeing W pattern lift for long entries. And then, like I showed just here a second ago, M pattern rollover for sell side entries. So it's another way you can use the overall Algo IQ program tools. I'm always kind of paying attention to the scalp dots, regardless of what chart. And seeing a W pattern right in that area prices, or that area price, and in general, the overall bands are still maintaining somewhat of an upward trend bias. In other words, I didn't take a W pattern trade on a pullback when the bands are pointing down, the main bands. So and then yesterday we had ascending pivots, scalp dots right out of the open, and up we go. We had a cluster. We got a pullback to mid band, another scalp dot, up we go. That was in an ascending main bands environment yesterday. So the super bands to me are an A+ indicator. They do an excellent job of showing me where the dynamic ranges of the market and what is the overall direction of the market.